Well, I just got my replacement so that I could be able to have a good head strap here. But the thing is, it doesn't fit. I mean, unless I'm going to send it back to the store, unless somebody can show me how to make this fit on my MetaQuest 2. I've been dying to play my game, and I've been trying, and yeah, it doesn't do anything. Just like the little boy that was complaining. Could someone please help him? Yeah, this part, see, it's that part, everything else looks fine, but it just does not fit my MetaQuest 2. And I bought it because I really wanted to use it and play my MetaQuest, but this does not fit here. It doesn't belong on the MetaQuest 2. I don't know. I tried. This, if you see this, there's nothing to go on with it. Took the strap off exactly like it said. This is the original strap that comes with this. This is the directions of this. And yeah, that's all that came with it.
So I bought like 3 of these in the past. Not this brand, but I'm saying like I bought 3 head straps in the last like 6 months. And bro, just get it. Get this one. Like I'm telling you right now, like just get this one. The battery pack is nice because what my issue was is like I stream. So while I'm streaming, I'll do like 3 hours, and that's why I needed it. It takes a little bit to charge, but I mean, bro, it's a battery. It's gonna take time to charge, I guess. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You just plug it in here. It's not charged, ironically, but it's fine. It still works. And you just plug it up here and you're chilling. And then, yeah, comfortability wise, bro, super good. Again, this is just like, if there was a way, I wish there was a way to make this to where it was like kind of like this, where it's like double padded instead of just one single one. Again, I'm nip.
Okay, this is a review of the Kawaye head strap for the MetaQuest. In my case, it's the MetaQuest 2. I ordered this week. I've been using the MetaQuest for a while, and it's just very front heavy. So I got the head strap, and I want to show you how it works. This goes back, it goes down. This comes around the back. These knobs here, you can adjust them to make it tighter or looser. And it's the same thing on top for the head strap. You can make it longer or shorter.
Okay, I've used this a couple of days now. Battery pack, as you can see, it's charging now. Battery pack works fine. It is a lot more comfortable than the stock one that comes on it. There's more padding. It seems like it kind of distributes the weight a little bit more, especially when there's a battery pack in the back of it. As you can see, I've already put my stickers on it. You just have to go from here.
Not working. It's just like you're trying to put it on. It's just going off immediately. Like you're trying to put it on. It's just not putting on. So, can somebody just tell me how to put this on? Because my old one right here.
Took me maybe 3 minutes to put it together. I didn't snap this little part back here in.